Well, good morning, traders. I hope you're having a good day, and as usual, it's always a good day to do it. So, without further ado, let's begin. And first of all, sorry we didn't update for a long period of time because I was completely busy with certain things. But we started trading again today, and if you have observed the market from the couple of months, it has been completely sideways, and it's extremely risky in trading such kind of markets. But was a really good and fun experience. I didn't take a lot of trades during that period, but I certainly watched the market going ups and down. Well, as for today's market, the market has opened at a really good gap up, and it is consolidating at its previous area uh, yesterday, at which it was consolidating, and today it's come at a standstill at a certain point. But as expected, we waited for a really good opportunity for 20 period moving average to catch up, and we have bought exactly as soon as the market touched the 20 period moving average. And I do believe the market would go extremely high up from here. Yet there are certain points that should be considered because the market at the place where it is standing, it is facing a really good resistance from the previous resistance zone, and as you could see yesterday, it has fallen a really good amount of point, and yet it has gapped up at really good amount of points, so that clearly indicates the market want to go up and it will go up to a certain point. So currently the market hasn't touched the CPR yet, and it is currently trading at R1. So in the future, we might see the market might eventually come down again to touch that virgin CPR which it has formed today. So the today's market word is based on completely based on CPR. The CPR is a really good small, and we are expecting a really good trending market. And I made a really stupid and a really big mistake, which nearly cost a really lot in this thing. So let me explain you the reason why I've taken this trade. First of all, as you could analyze yesterday's chart, there was a really good consolidation area, and it has making a double top at at the same point which the market is currently consolidating. So there is a really high probability that market might go and break up that resistance area. Reason number two, as you could see, the 21 period moving average, the market is above it, and it has just caught up with the candlestick, and there's a really good chance the market will take support from here and it might go up. If you observe in spot chart, you could clearly understand what I am saying. And the third reason is the market has been falling for a couple of days from yesterday, but it is not a, you would say, a change in trend, but rather it is just a retracement. If you analyze a 1 day period chart, you could clearly see it is just a retracement after a good green bullish momentum. So we are expecting a really good bullish market today, and that's going to happen. So based on that all reasons, we have taken this trade. Well, the currently market has shown a good clear sign, and you could see the market is going up. The market has really clearly shown a good sign of reversal. As you could see on the previous swing high, it made a really good candlestick pattern, and as you could see, the market has taken the SLs of the seller. The probability of market is going up higher is really good from here. So at this further point, it's a really good chance it might retrace back a bit and take a support at up its resistance level from which it was getting rejected from all the morning, and then might go up. So we are going to trail a stop loss as soon as market show a really good bullish upside momentum, and followed by that we could see I have increased the target capacity. The logically we should hold this trade throughout the day, but that was my mistake which I did in today's market, that I got scared and I got exited at really small point. So you could see the market is moving, it is forming a bit retracement. Retracement usually doesn't scare, and but as you could analyze, the market has been a quite sideways from lot of time, and there's a really good chance that it might take resistance. So based on that thing itself, even though I knew the market was going to be 20, I exited a bit early with a really small profit. It was not a great, but it was just a fear in myself and my ability. So we are definitely trying to overcome that fear. And as I have seen previously, we have trading from a really long break, and that's why. But it will just get just this week to get a hang of the trade again, and we would trade really good after this thing. But we did broke a really good rule, that is never sell on the first retracement. It is really good rule because usually the first retracement is just for a cool off in the market and the new place to new buyer to enter. So this was my mistake which I have done, and hopefully you would avoid doing the same mistake. And plus there was a second reason why I was not sure, because there was a really good resistance at the spot chart at this particular point, which I exited, and the same resistance could cause the downfall of the market. And in similarity, if you have analyzed Nifty's chart, Nifty 50, you could see that Nifty was traveling in just a small range. Even though Bank Nifty has given a really good breakout, the Nifty was traveling a bit in small ranges. But that didn't last long, and I was I was expecting that the market would eventually reverse because of Nifty's small range, because it was just about to touch the previous resistance from which it has get a really good fall. So as you could see, the market has nearly moved 130 points, but we didn't capture exactly this thing, and we exited somewhere around 113 points really profit, and it was roughly around 618, and which was not a bad profit in Bank Nifty after such a sideways market. But we were expecting the market to be a trending, it was expecting a to a trending day, so logically we should have hold this thing throughout the day, but we didn't, and eventually the market did break and give us a really high position. The market has continuously climbed up and eventually ended with roughly 250 points plus target. So if we have hold this thing, we would be roughly around 6,000 plus profitable. But it's okay, with small 3,000 rupees profit we are happy. So if you like this video, definitely smash that like button, subscribe, and do comment down below if you have traded today and based on CPR or such thing. And thank you for watching today.